Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. So, little update on the Glasshouse, man. As you know, been having problems with her. I decided to finally bring it to a mechanic, real mechanic, not a YouTube mechanic like me. They doing the seals, they doing steering column. Trying to make sure everything is A1. That way we can get back on the road. Again, I was able to drive this one before I took it apart, and now it's little problems here and there. Again, I like working on my cars, but sometimes at some point, man, you gotta bring it to people that know what they're doing. So he's gonna be working on this one. Hopefully, we get it done by next week. It should be good. And we're also gonna be working on the wagon. We're gonna be trying to do a daily on the wagon. Not sure what all we're gonna have to do on that one, but that one been parked for a couple of months. So again, man, little update on the glass house. Uh, she looking good, man. She's looking good. I'm excited. So let's see, man. I hope I can get a little update every time he does something to it and pass it down to y'all. So probably gonna drop this video off in a couple of weeks once everything is ready. But that is all, man.